Alright, Volkswagen cartoon lovers, we have one off eBay here. It's the Mk1 Golf GTI. So let's see this guy. Been looking forward to this for a few weeks now. Nicely packed, well enough. Let's see, the Mk1 Golf, I think is, was first out in 1975. I think they're up to 7 generations now. So, this is a really goofy looking cartoon deformation. Very tall, very short. Alright. Oh, even printing on the back. Interesting. How old is this thing? That's what I really want to know. So let's get to the bottom of this thing. Focus. 2001. Huh. I would have guessed it'd be older than this, to be honest with you. It looks older. The styling of it. Alright, well, it does look like it's been abused a little bit as well. A lot of weird gunk and stuff here. It looks like the body is actually molded in white and it's not clear, but the canopy, it must be a separate piece, I'm thinking. Yeah, I think that's a separate piece of plastic, the canopy. It also appears to be totally opaque. Alright, well anyways, the side of this thing, it's got a white top and a silver side, and standard 5 spokes from Choro-Q, and the door handle here is really nicely detailed. Getting a little washed out by the photo booth here. A little grime there. Alright. I like the yellow lights here. And then the black grille texture looks good. Unfortunately no orange paint here. And then this crazy air dam. It's really, really pronounced. Alright, and it's got GTI power. And some ribs there. And some, I guess some sort of quick releases for the hood. GTI power in gold. And some gold wiper blades. Pretty funny. Let's see, this is a sliding sunroof, okay. Little gimmick there. I'm not sure, oh, that actually says GTI, kinda, sort of. And then gold defrosters. So I've never seen this type of printing on, well, it's different, it's just different. This red racing stripe is fading out in the front, which is kinda neat, but it's solid back here. Taillights are red. And then here is from a nostalgic set, okay. So, if anyone wants to research that, you might want to look like 2001 nostalgic set, see what else is in there. Alright, so I guess I'm going to have to do a wheel swap. I like this car enough. And also, this is so gappy. It's way, way too gappy. I got to get some bigger tires in there, so let me come back. Alright, I actually had these wheels on a Toyota Supra, but I think they fit this one better. For some reason, this older ChoroQ has really big wheel wells. So these are Hot Wheels Real Riders, but they're the giant size ones. Okay, let's compare it to a couple other models here. I have a Kyosho 1/64 scale of the first generation Golf. Pretty nice model. And then I have this green light of a racing version of the first generation Golf. And that's pretty cool too, that green light. So it gives you an idea where it stands. This thing is definitely, you know, bigger than 1/64 scale, at least from the front view. It looks like it'd be more like 155 or something like that. Alright. So comparing to some other cartoonish vehicles, first would be this Volkswagen Variant by Choro-Q Zero. Okay. And then I think of hot hatches. So we have a classic Mini Cooper with some Hot Wheels Real Riders on it, and that's the Choro-Q as well. And then we have a Honda City Turbo Choro-Q. We have a Toyota Starlet with some 3D printed wheels. And then probably my favorite hot hatch, I don't even know if it would be a hot hatch, it's more of a race car, Renault R5 Turbo. And that's Choro-Q Zero. Okay, so I like to throw out these other models, you know, so you can see what else is out there. And also I just like to reflect upon the things I've purchased, because these are usually stored in a file cabinet. Alright, well, this time around, I like this. You know, it's something about the styling of this one looks very retro. It's just not as like clean as this more modern Starlet, or definitely not as clean as this, ChoroQ Zero. There's something crude about the air dam on it, and it's just got different giant wheel wells. So, and the printing on the windows really makes it unique as well. So I didn't pay too much off eBay on this one. It was just a person's collection. You might be able to find it yourself, so take a look-see. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you around. Bye.